Good morning students, I am your maths teacher Kiran Singh. In previous video we have completed theorem 7.6, 7.7 and 7.8. From today we will start our exercise 7.4. At first we will do our question number 1. Our question number 1 is show that in a right triangle the hypotenuse is the longer side. See, ABC is a right angle triangle in which AC is the hypotenuse, AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. Then we have to prove that AC is the longer side. At first we will write the given part. Given ABC is a right angled triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. In which angle B equal to 90 degree. Then we have to prove AC is greater than AB and AC is greater than BC. According to statement we can write so that in a right triangle the hypotenuse is the longer side. It means AC should greater than AB and AC should greater than BC also. Now we will do the proof. In triangle ABC, all of you knowing the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. ASP angle sum property. Here angle B is 90 degree. Therefore angle A plus C equal to 90 degree. Clearly we can write angle B is greater than angle A and angle B is greater than angle C. And all of you knowing the theorem, the side opposite to greater angle is longer. So we can write the opposite side of angle B is AC. Therefore we can write AC is greater than, and the opposite side of the angle A is BC. So we can write BC and AC is greater than angle C. Then opposite side of angle C is AB. This one to prove we have written this thing only. AC should greater than AB and AC should greater than BC. Here we will write the theorem. We will write side opposite to greater angle is longer. In a triangle, side opposite to longer angle is, in a triangle side opposite to longer angle is larger or longer, we can write longer. Again I am going to explain it, try to understand. ABC is a right angle triangle. Then we have to prove that hypotenuse will be the longer side. So we can write AC will greater than AB and AC will greater than BC also. In triangle ABC, we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Here given the value of angle B equal to 90 degree. So we can write angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree. Clearly we can write angle B is greater than angle A and angle B is greater than angle C. Why? Because the sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree, but the value of or the measure of angle B is also 90 degree. So angle B will greater than angle A and angle B will greater than angle C also. So the inner triangle, all of you knowing the theorem, the side opposite to larger or greater angle is longer. So we can write the opposite side of angle B is AC and the opposite side of angle A is BC. So we can write AC is greater than BC and AC is greater than AB also. In this way we will prove this. Our next question is, sides AB and AC of a triangle are extended to points P and Q respectively. Here you can see ABC is a triangle in which AB side is extended to the point P and side AC is extended to the point Q. Then we have to prove one thing more given, angle PBC. PBC, this angle less than angle QCB. Then we have to prove AC is greater than AB. At first we will write the given part. Given angle PBC less than angle QCB. Then we will write to prove AC is greater than AB. Proof. Here we can write angle 1, angle 2, angle 2, angle 3. We can write angle PBC. PBC equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Exterior angle property. Angle PBC equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Exterior angle property. Now we can write angle QCB or QCB. Angle QCB equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, exterior angle property. Now we can write angle PBC is less than angle QCB. It is given. Now we will put the values. At the place of angle PBC we can write angle 1 plus angle 3, and at the place of QCB we can write angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 3. At the place of angle 3 we can write angle C. At the place of angle 2 we can write angle B. And the opposite side of angle C is AB. And the opposite angle of angle B is AC. This one only we have to prove. Proved. Here also we will write the theorem. Inner triangle, side opposite to longer angle is longer. Now we will do question number 3. Our question number 3 is, angle A is greater than angle B. Angle C is, this one C. Angle D is greater than angle C. Then we have to prove AD is less than side BC. At first we will write the given part. Given angle A is greater than angle B and angle D is greater than angle C. Then we will write to prove. BC greater than AD. Now we will start the proof. In triangle OCD, we can take angle D is greater than angle C. Therefore, the opposite side of angle D is OC. So, we can write OC will greater than OD. Side opposite to longer angle is larger. Next, in triangle OAB, it is equation number 1. Angle A greater than angle B, it is given. Here also you can write given. The opposite side of angle A is OB. So we will write OB greater than the opposite angle of angle B is OA. Here also we will write the same thing. It is our equation number 2. Now we will add both. 1 plus 2. OC plus OB greater than OD plus OA. This implies OC plus OB, we can write BC greater than OA plus OD, we can write AD. In this way we have proved. In next video we will do the question number 4, 5 and 6. Thank you students for watching me.